Wago's all-new 2070 series SMD PCB terminal blocks provide easy backside wiring of LED modules. Versions with an optional cover also offer an optimal suction surface to facilitate assembly. The integrated cover, together with the low profile of just 1.1 millimeters, minimizes shadowing considerably. The connections are on the back of the LED module. This opens up many new possibilities for the design of LED lights. Both solid and fine stranded conductors can be connected. Solid conductors can be terminated by simply pushing them in. Fine stranded conductors can be connected easily with the aid of the operating tool. All types of conductors can be easily removed using the operating tool. Versions with covers are also available with optional pole marking. Talk to us. We are always ready to help.